Hello, you beautiful ghouls. Welcome to Thursday's video. I had this idea when I was falling asleep last night, and so I wanted to try it. I'm sure other people have done this before. I haven't looked into it, and I'm sure that if they have done it a lot better than I'm about to. But I have this bookmark mold. It's been a while since I brought these out, and I want to make a bookmark that looks like it's blood dripping at the end. That's the plan for today. So to do that, I've got the Total Boat UV resin here. I've got my light. I've got a little mixing cup. And I've got Scarlet, which is funny because the Chinese company said Scarlet. Let Scar do what? Anyway, and also wine red. So I'm going to get to mixing these up. The colors in, and then we're going to go for it. I'm super excited to see if it works. Hopefully it does. Let's jump right into it. Oh, and the little ghosties from Tuesday's video, because they turned out so freaking tiny, I was like, well, they would make a cute little charm on the bookmark. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so let's get started. Let's do it. Alright, so here's how it turned out. Really cool. I love the striations of the red in it. I'm trying to show you best I can. I do still need to cure it just a little bit longer under the lamp because it is still just a tiny bit bendy. But that's what it looks like. And then this one, this is the first one that I tried to do, but I added a little bit, instead of using the wine red, I added just literally a micron's worth of black, the Illuminate black to it, and it turned it brown. But it's still kind of cool looking, I think. And then I used up the rest of the resin in there and just made a little charm thing. Just a little skull with a crown. Very cute. Anyway, that's today's video, you guys. Super simple and easy. Same as yesterday's. I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, cure this for a little bit longer. Add the ghosty charm. And then we will do the glamour shots. Alright, let's do it. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.